Hi guys, today we are at the famous Borough Market, London to explore some of the viral food and check on their prices as well. We went on a weekday afternoon, so the crowd is lesser, so make sure if you are visiting Borough Market to try to go on a lesser crowded time. When you enter, you can first see huge piles of cheese. We straightforward went to see the queues, and the first queue was for strawberries topped with chocolate. The strawberries look perfectly red and the guy keeps pouring chocolate on top of strawberries. This cup costs £8.50 and if you have a sweet tooth, this is a must try. Next up, we have wild mushroom risotto starting from £9.50. And this oyster hut sells fresh giant oysters along with other fresh seafood. This burger hut makes fresh burgers right in front of you, super soft and super tasty. Next up, this bomba paella dish with prawn, chicken or lobster tail, which I would say the biggest highlight in the market. Even though the market was not crowded as usual, there was still a queue for this one. So you can guess how famous it might be, right? Next up, we have this salted beef sandwich with pickles and mustard made right in front of you, just like this. After all this savory stuff, a must-try is Breadhead Bakery. Their viral creme brulee looks so perfect and so fluffy. Last but not least, these mini donuts and sweet treats look so tasty that you feel at least buying one of these. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the next video.